So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can apply the compressor effect to the audio clips on the Audacity. So all you need to do is just simply open the Audacity and import a media clip that you want to apply this effect. For example, this is the basic interface. Now I have been imported this particular timeline, this particular audio clip. So all I need to do is just simply go to this option of effects over there, and from here you're going to find this option of fourth number of the list which is volume and compression. Just simply go to over there, and the third number on this particular list it says compressor. Just simply press it, and first of all you need to select this all of this particular timeline. Now again go to this effect and go to this compressor effect, and from here you can make changes to the values and just simply hit apply, and the compressor effect has been applied. It will take a little process and it will going to be applied on the audio clip. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.